it's really work now. Find everything and find all the Porsches. And I'm blind and it's difficult. It's not anymore, must be. Hey, I'm back. I'm still at home. And as I mentioned to you guys in the last video, I'm going to do more videos from home because at the moment we cannot really go anywhere for the next 2 weeks. And actually I find this time a little bit relaxing because at least I can start arrange a lot of things around the house. And as I mentioned, we're also moving, and there's going to be a big challenge, especially if you have a massive collection of Hot Wheels. So I was thinking I could maybe arrange a little bit this collection, and it's still not the whole collection, and it's not still the, you know, all of the cars I have, because I have still on the other room few other boxes. So I mean, just thinking maybe I could sort them out a little bit, and maybe I can give some tips how you can arrange your own cars if you have tons of them, and how you could pack them. So my first idea was, because I was a little bit lost with this, because you know, it's just a mess, that maybe I can really select the cars by brands. The other option that it came into my mind, of course, that you could arrange the collection by editions. So special editions, let's say, for example, I have here the Gran Turismo, so you can put together all the Gran Turismos, and also, for example, the Circuit Legends if you have. So the tricky thing is what we have at the moment with the Hot Wheels packages, that you have basically 3 different sizes, 4 different sizes if you like, because the normal package is this size, and then you have sort of the special editions which has 2 different sizes. This wider one, and you see it's a little bit different. So the problem is this, if you wanna pack them, the size differences and how the width of the box. And on the top you have, of course, the big boxes with the trailers inside, and that makes everything a little bit complicated if you wanted to have an even surface with all the cars. I filled up already this box with Porsches. Don't need to say that I'm a Porsche fan, so I have tons of Porsches. So this box is filled up. The method was that I basically flip the boxes, that I don't have literally gap between them, and I will show you in a second how it looks like. The thing what I tried to explain was that if you have a filled box, and here you see it doesn't really fit anymore a box, so what you're gonna do, you just put it like this way, and then you can put next to another one, and then continue doing it, and then you can fill up another layer. So a tricky point as well, also the boxes have a little bit different depths, so sometimes it doesn't really fit enough things in one box, then you have to a little bit change, but you're going to have even layers. This is the most important thing. This box is more or less filled up all with Porsches, and honestly, that was just hell of a work, because you really have to find all the models, so the brands. In my case were Porsches, but it's really like, it's difficult to find. I think the next box is going to be with a different method. It's much easier if you're selecting cars by colors, because at least you can see immediately, and you have a little bit of sense, okay, all the red cars are here. So I think it's going to be much faster. I try this. So this box is ready. All the red cards are inside. And I have to say it was much faster because you're really just doing the selection by colors. Yes, it's not easy, but it's worth to have a little bit of overview on your cards. And I think it's just a perfect time because anyway, have to be at home, have to do something. So it's just really perfect. Almost done. Only 2 packages. They're coming here, finally. There was hell of a job. Now it's done. It's important. I also recognize that I have many models what I have doubled, and you know, sometimes you just totally forgot that you bought it, or you just got a double as a present and you just don't know what to do with it. You just I don't know, store it then in your drawer somewhere, or anyway it's getting dusty. I think the best thing if you give it to charity. I think really the best thing what you can do. And basically they were just a little bit arranging everything, and this is the great thing if you are anyway at home. And I recommend guys to you also just stay at home in these days and use this time to arrange your Hot Wheels, let's say. So I hope you like this short update from me. I'm coming back very soon. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram on A Girls Love Scars, and see you very soon. Bye!